Hello, students. Have you ever looked at the stars and wondered what's out there? Or asked yourself why your paper plane flies across the room? This video will introduce you to the ever evolving world of science and will serve as a strong base for all the knowledge of the subject that's to follow. Science is not just a subject, it's a super cool journey full of questions, surprises, and fun. Whether you're looking at tiny bugs under a magnifying glass or staring up at the giant planets in space, science is like solving the world's biggest, most exciting puzzle. Have you ever wondered why does it rain or how does a rainbow form? Every time you explore how things work around you, you're becoming a young scientist. Science lets us explore both the tiniest things and the biggest mysteries. For example, take the cells in a leaf. They're super small, but they do really big jobs, like helping plants grow and breathe. And way up in the sky, stars shine brightly and tell us stories about the universe. Science serves as a way of thinking. It starts with questions, lots of them. Why do flowers bloom in spring? Why do leaves fall in autumn? Asking how and why helps you become a smart, thoughtful thinker. Watch ants marching or the way day turns into night, everything in nature follows patterns, and science helps you notice them. It also teaches us to care for our planet. Pollution can hurt nature, but science helps us find ways to protect Earth and keep it safe for the future. Science also helps us explore the properties of materials. Did you know materials have special powers? Metals like iron carry electricity fast, that's why wires are made of metal. On the other hand, nonmetals like plastic don't carry electricity. That's why torch handles are made of plastic, to keep your hands safe. Science helps us understand the changes around us. The world is always changing, like when ice melts into water. Some changes can be reversed. You can freeze water back into ice in your fridge. But some changes stay forever. A ripe banana or a rock that breaks into tiny pebbles can't go back to how they were. Changes around us. Living things also change. Look at you, you're growing taller every day. Just like trees grow and change, your body does too. Animals need food and air to live. Food gives them energy, like fuel for a car, and oxygen keeps them strong and active. Plants are amazing. They make their own food using sunlight in a process called photosynthesis. They help keep everything in balance by working together with animals. Time is also an important concept of science. Time helps us organize our day, knowing when to play, study, or sleep. Time follows nature's rhythm. Day and night happen because Earth spins. Light is another important concept of science. Light is everywhere. It helps us see Diwali lights sparkle, read books, play games, and explore the world. Without light, everything would be dark. Shadows form when light is blocked. Did you know Earth is always moving? It spins once every 24 hours. That's how we get day and night. Earth also circles the sun, taking one whole year to go around. This movement gives us seasons: summer, winter, spring, and autumn. Even the moon moves around Earth. That's why its shape changes from full moon to crescent. It even affects ocean tides and the night sky. To summarize, we learned about the importance of science in our lives. From the tiniest cells to the secrets of the galaxy, from the electricity that reaches our homes to the weather, science holds all the secrets. We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes, watch video lectures, and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on EduRev to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all, you also get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more for class 4. Thank you.